Microfilm and microfiche are films with microscopic images on them. Often they are used as a compact way to save periodicals such as newspapers and journals. Most of the microfilms at George Fox University are located in the basement with the periodicals. A designated microfilm reader is located nearby. The first step of using the microfilm is to open the Scan Pro app on the desktop and select the type of film you have. This will open the program. For film, pull on the front handle of the machine to load it. The glass plate should be centered to avoid hitting the sides. When it is fully opened, an animation will open on the screen demonstrating the proper way to load the machine. Follow these instructions and then gently push forward on the handle to finish. Then you should see some images on the screen. The microfilm cannot be searched by the computer. You will need to scroll through and find the articles you are looking for by using the blue bar at the bottom of the screen. You might also use the fast forward and rewind buttons. Once you have found the content, there are several ways to adjust it for a better view. Click on the Adjust tab and adjust as needed. The Auto Adjust button can be very helpful. You might also adjust zoom, contrast, or another setting until the image is clear. You might also select the magnifier button on the home screen to magnify the article you are reading. When you are ready to make a copy of your content, drag the green box to surround the content you wish to copy. Click on the Output tab and select Scan to Drive. A Save As box will open. Name your scan and select the type of scan you wish to have. If you are scanning multiple pages, then select Multi-Page PDF or TIFF. Generally, PDF will be the most useful option. Press Scan and continue to move and add scans as needed. When you are finished, press Finish Scan. When you are done with that film, pull the handle on the front of the machine to open the machine and double-click the Rewind button. Pull gently to remove the roll from the machine, place it in its box, and put it on a cart to be reshelved. Microfiche is very similar to microfilm, except that it is a flat page instead of a roll of film. Images are arranged left to right, top to bottom. Insert microfiche under the glass and navigate by gently maneuvering the black handle on the front. You can move the image forward, backward, left, or right. Keep in mind, sometimes the image is mirrored so that you may have to go in the opposite direction of what you expected. You may need to rotate or mirror the image to see it clearly. To make a copy, follow the same steps as for microfilm. When you are done, make sure you save your images in a place where you will have access to them. For further information and help, please contact the Front Circulation Desk.